Hello children, how are you all? Yes, you enjoyed the last lesson and all the grammar topic? Yes, have you read the lesson once again? Very good. What is that lesson? Yes, mongoose. Right? So that lesson is mongoose and Brahmin's wife. That we have completed now? Yes. Now, today, yes, about you only. What is that? The girl who fell down. Oh, have you fallen down any time? Yes. How did you feel? How did your friends react? If you fell down, how did your friends react? Did they laugh at you or did they help you to get up? Most of you laughed. Is it good? No. It's the same way if you fell down, if your friends laugh, how do you feel? Right? Is it not good? Yes, it's not at all good. That's why, okay, generally we feel we should help our friends, but mostly you laugh at them, right? So see this. So children, when will you do, what will you do if one of your friends has fallen or wounded? Oh, wounded means definitely we react for that. Wounded means here injury, some injury or cut. So some skin cut happen means that we can call it wounded, injury. So when we fell down, something happened to our hands or knees like this, that injury, blood may comes out, right? Skin may goes off like this. That is called wounded. Okay. So, but generally, that is when you have fallen, how does your friends react? That is, how did they react? Yes. How do they react? Do they help you or do they laugh at you? And how do you react whenever your friend have fallen? How do you react when she has fallen or when he has fallen? Whenever your friends have fallen, yes, do you help immediately to get up or do you laugh at them first? Mostly you laugh at them, right? Okay, whatever it is. So now see this poem, very simple and easy poem. What is this? When I was at the party, said Betty, aged just 4 years. So just she is 4 years. So a little girl fell off her chair, right down upon the floor, and all the other little girls began to laugh, but me, no. So see this, a cute, beautiful 4 years aged girl, she is telling. What is that? When I was at the party, which party? Mostly birthday party, right? All the children are there means definitely it's a birthday party. So when I was at the party, said Betty. Who said that? Betty. So who is in the party? Betty. I means here Betty, that cute girl. So 4 years girl. When I was at the party, said Betty, aged just 4, a little girl fell off her chair. A little girl fell off her chair. So a little girl, some little girl fell off her chair. Fell off her chair means fell down from the chair. So right down upon the floor. So where did she fell down? Yes, on the floor. From the chair to floor she fell down. And all the other little girls. So what happened? When she fell down, when that little girl fell down, what about all the little girls they did? Began to laugh. Ha 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 ha. They started to laugh. But me, no. I didn't laugh. Who? Betty. So I didn't laugh a single bit, said Betty seriously. So I didn't laugh. So she said very seriously. That Betty said seriously. Seriously means not joking. Seriously means not joking. Seriously means not joking. Not joking. That is really what we are telling. So that what is said, that is not joking. So seriously, so I'm not joking, that is very seriously I'm telling, I didn't laugh, that she said. And why not? Her mother asked her, full of delight to kind, that Betty, bless her little heart, had been so sweetly kind. So why not? Why didn't you laugh, or why didn't you laugh at her? Her mother asked her, full of delight of her kind, full of delight. Delight means happy. Delight means very happy. So full of happiness. Mother asked, that's very good thing na. If any others fell down, should not laugh and should help. So that's very happily that my child didn't laugh and maybe she helped. So she felt worried about that fallen child. Like that mother felt. Why not? Her mother asked her, full of delight of kind, full of kindness and at the same time very happy in her heart, that Betty bless her little heart. So that Betty bless her little heart. So very good girl, that she has very kind heart and that she helped that little girl. Had been so sweetly kind. You are very so sweet, so very kind that you are. You have helped. Like that mother thought in her heart, in her mind, and she asked, why not? Why didn't you laugh? That she asked. Why didn't you laugh, my darling? So why not, my darling? Why didn't you laugh? That mother asked in the words, but mother inside, what did she feel? Oh, very kind little baby she is. So my little heart, my little baby, you are so sweet, you are so kind. Without laughing, you helped her. Like that inside, mother felt very happy about her daughter. But later what happened? Or don't you like to tell? So why didn't you laugh, my darling? Or don't you like to tell? Don't you want to tell me? Don't you like to tell me? So that mother asked. Further, the Betty said, I didn't laugh, said Betty, because it was I fell down. Because that was I that fell. So who fell down there? I only fell down there. That's why I didn't laugh. That she said. Right? So she only fell down. So how can she laugh? That's why she didn't laugh. That she said. But mother felt, how my sweet heart got very kind heart. She didn't laugh. Maybe she helped like that. Mother felt very happy about it. But at last, that Betty revealed the secret. Who fell down? Betty only fell down. That's why she didn't laugh. But all the children laughed at her. Right? So see that. When I was at the party, said Betty, aged it's just 4. That is, a little girl fell off the chair right down upon the floor. And all the other little girls began to laugh. But me, I didn't laugh a single bit, said Betty seriously. Without joking, very seriously, she said. Na? So why not? Her mother asked her, full of delight to kind, that Betty, bless her little heart, had been so sweetly kind. So my sweet, kind daughter. So why didn't you laugh, my dear, my darling? And don't you like that? Don't you like to tell? Why didn't you like? Why didn't you laugh? Don't you like to tell? Tell me what happened. I didn't laugh, said Betty, because it was I that fell. Because it was that I that fell. So I only fell down. So that's why I didn't laugh. So that the girl expressed. See here. So if you fell down, do you laugh? No. Right? But others, if they laugh at you, you feel about na. So then how can you laugh at the others when they fell down? Right? So that's why you cannot laugh at the others when they fell down or when they got hurt, injury. Immediately should help them to get up or to treat it. Right, children? right? All of you learn the good habits. Very good. So this is our poem. All of you read that poem once again. Yes, see children, so you have enjoyed the poem now? So we have learnt one point, that we cannot laugh at the others when they fell down. We should try to help them. Right, Nana? Yes. Now, in this lesson, in this poem, vocabulary part we have. What are those? Very important, very easy. 2 words only we have. What are those? One is seriously. Seriously means what? Not, yes, I told you this meaning. Not joking. Seriously means not joking. And really mean what is said. Really mean what is said, that we call it seriously. Really mean what is said, that we call it serious. And delight means happiness, very happy or happiness, we call it delight. Okay, Nana? So open the notes and keep the heading and write the vocabulary part in your book and learn the meanings. Okay, Nana? What is this? Seriously. Seriously means not joking, and really means what is said. Really means what is said. Really mean what is said. And the next one, delight means it is happiness. Okay, ma? Will you learn? Yes, write down in your notes and then learn it. Yes, see children, so in this poem, the girl who fell down, we have a grammatical structure. What is the topic we are going to learn? Yes, that is adjective. Grammatical structure, grammar topic we have now adjective. This already you know, in the first class you have learnt, and in the previous lessons also you got. Now that is you know this one already. Once again I am repeating adjective. This is a total, every year you get this topic. Okay, so that's why if you are thorough, very easily you can learn. Okay, Nana? Adjective. What is adjective? Yes, adjective is a describing word. What it describes? Describe the noun. Describing a noun. So write this one. So adjectives. Adjective describes. Adjective describes a person, a place, an animal. Adjective describes a person, a place, an animal, or things. Anything it describes. Anything it describes. So, and it tells about quality. It tells about quality. It tells about special quality. Special quality. Okay, how those are very special qualities also it tells. Okay, it tells about the not only special quality, and it tells about the color, the shape, and size also. The shape and size also. Like this, anything it may tell you. So maybe it is the color of that, or else it is how the shape or the size also it can tell. Okay, anything it may describe. So that is called describing word. It is adjective. Adjective. Suppose, see here, it is a big ground. It is a big ground. So how that what kind of ground, how much it is? It's a big ground. So red rose. So how the rose is? Red. So this red is describing color, and here it is describing size. So like this it is describing the words. Okay, ma? And now we can do the exercise on this, and then we can learn some more adjectives in this. See children, so examples we can do now. So underline the adjectives in each sentence. So adjectives, how to find it, we have learned. So describing words. So in this sentences, just 6 sentences in this, what are the describing words we should underline? Describing word is nothing but adjective. So we should underline the adjectives here. See the first one. The Taj Mahal is a wonderful building. The Taj Mahal is a wonderful building. So how is the building? Wonderful. How is the building? Wonderful. Or what kind of building? The Taj Mahal? Wonderful. So like this, if you are very confused about it, adjectives, what kind of or how is it? Like this, if you make the question anything, if you get the answer, that is adjective. Okay. How is the building? Wonderful. What kind of building? The Taj Mahal? Wonderful. So then wonderful is adjective. So underline that one. Okay, Nana. And the same next one. Mrs. Kapoor is a nice woman. What kind of woman? Mrs. Kapoor? Yes, that is nice. How is the woman? Nice. That's why how or what kind of, that is called, that answer is nothing but adjective. So nice is describing the woman. Who is that woman? Mrs. Kapoor. Right, Nana? Did you understand? Now see the next one. The elephant is a huge animal. Elephant is a huge animal. So what kind of animal the elephant is? Huge. Right. So how is that animal? Huge. So then huge is the describing word. And there are grey clouds in the sky. There are grey clouds in the sky. What kind of clouds in the sky? Grey. So how the clouds are? Grey. Right? Color, size. Okay, description. Next, Ramita has a new car. How the Ramita has a new car. What kind of car Ramita has? Yes, new car. So how is the car? It's a new. Right. And a leopard has black spots. A leopard has black spots. What kind of spots are there? Yes, black. So how are the spots? Black color. Right. So that's why black is the describing word. Right, Nan? Did you understand? So how is that? Description, either color, size. Okay. So that we can, anything which is describing, that is adjective. Understood this one? Yes. Write down and underline those adjectives in your book.